Hi and welcome to our 2020 Porsche Cayman GT4, finished in this black. This car is a full Clubsport vehicle, so I'll wander around it, Miles. Let's have a look around this car. Being a Clubsport vehicle, a couple of options, cage in the back, ceramic brakes, so you've got the full ceramics there. And this little cheeky number's got a manual gearbox. So there are true drivers out there having the manual gearbox. The GT4 has this lovely rear wing on the back here. So 4-litre car being a 2020 vehicle. You've got the Clubsport seats with the carbon back, fixed rear rake seats. You've got the slide on there. Carbon interior trim as well, so it's got nice carbon there. Alcantara steering wheel, Clubsport, but also you've got the sports chrono, so you've got the clock in the centre of the dash there. It's covered just over 5,000 miles. All pics are on our website. Give us a call at Hardy Automotive. Thank you.